Didi kai meda Nyankopon ase meda sra kese ama obo ade wura Nyankopon ase wa hyira wa nipa da sene bia entime ntwe nto fom ti se wonya awurade ni afi we ya afi a ado Nyankopon atechi. As we look to the future, we have a big dream. Oka say bia oka sembi amobi segment de wodi nipa nko nipa ma anawo sena saa mbe Nyankopon eye nipa na kese Nyankopon onfa nipa dom eni kwase achi.
It's all about Angie's Board TV.
Hello, sir. For your cancer, I did speech. Yo, adofo didi kai meda Nyankopon ase na meda sra kese ama obo ade wura obo so ba asase sebe nkoma ya papa the 8th generation prophet 7 adom chedua onyame difo iwiase nyina difo oni ya maame ma Melissa owo ahene wa rompa ne pankasa the first Nyankopon hira ahemfo atitirifo nintirifo a ebe dwumadi ebeta dwumadi achi Nyankopon hira obia na meka kira ofo ebe nya se wonfa chi ese na da dwumadi ache ene de hwe da sonko a dwumadi Nyankopon apagya sia ebinsi da dodo na fi se bia e de baby ene yebo na so da bi a great man's annual day afi bia yeye na afi we ya afi a ado Nyankopon atechi amadwumadi ayeso kokora Nyankopon ese wa hyira wa nipa da sene bia entime ntwe nto fom ti se wonya awurade ni wiase no bia God first. Believe yourself and believe God. Onyame ne hene oka se bia oka sembi amobi segment wodi nipa nko nipa ma anawo sena saa mbe Nyankopon eye nipa na kese hye ne monyam hene nko fokaka ye bebe emaso obi ama hwan ado Nyame akasa Nyankopon onfa nipa dom eni kwase achi odi nipa dom di kwase achi a mu nyina mba hwe ase to kanifo be nipa di na chi bia no obi a onim kasa onim nyansa na dwum da ho Nyankopon fa nipa dom ema kwase a odi nipa dom ema nyansani se na be ya nipa dom di na chi a yetie no odomo kokodu asodwie mu na bibia kama Nyankopon hira mu nyina masukufo nkura umawofo papa no maame no omunua ma obi bia Nyankopon fa mu fi adom enkwadom na onhire bia brother sambe nyina ene dai Nyankopon hira mu na ontom nkwanam na omamo nyini che madwuma enye yi ebiem ewiase nyina yepe Christian television ba kope na owiase TV station a ekanya me wasam ko a nyame news nyame movie bibia only TV ba kope na owiase second chance TV Asofo Pia Bay TV station obaton a seconds Brabajon Okot for Hennessy budget 2 million Azania manko a but Adom TV second chance TV the only TV a nyame preaching bibia na bako Nyankopon hira mo nyina mawie na ene speech ame man ma fi twifo mu ekobrofo mu enti ene mi dwanaja o mu titwi nko a me kobrofo na adu Ghana mampanyine na obi anchen eti no speech ya mbeke abachano wa bon sam papa I've got it. Yes. Timinim good evening. Okay. Mama come to onya se da wasro na asa meja kan. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, dedicated staff, proud parents, and my wonderful students. Good evening. It is by grace that we are here today. And by grace, I am always happy to join my school to close another successful academic year. Many part for whom Great Minds International School is not just a place of learning. We are a school of creativity, a factory where we impart new generation, modern young minds to think differently, to dream boldly, and to create the future they want to see. Today, we celebrate our graduates, but I want you to know that the greatest gift is the character you are building and the creativity you are harnessing. Munya butena dos, munya butena dos, edos munya butena. Munya butena As we look to the future, we have a big dream. By grace, we are praying and working to get a new music and arts studio next academic year. We believe that the arts are not just a subject, they are the soul of education. We will continue fight for the choose those young ones need to shine. I thank all of you who have supported the dream of those young ones. Your investment, your prayers, and your love are building the great minds of tomorrow. To the graduating class, go out there and be great. To our prize winners, keep pushing, and to the entire Great Minds family. Let us continue this journey with faith, creativity, and grace. Great minds, great minds, great minds. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Where you take your Where forward? Speech where we irritate ya. Speech where we irritate ya. Speech where we are very short, but speech where we where we are
School manager will be a Zambia because of Mama. If you do a they are printing up a series of people time. Also, it says, school. Great Minds, HM of Radia Munadi. Now, summer so, between Mr. Tambia, Bushadi. Tia baby, within seconds. Now, Betmessia, no accounting. I'm going to share Great Minds school. Maka, Yamin so. Yes, and I'm going to be at a second for you. At the same moment, we movie. Yeah, one of them, but she sees the one. Omunti na unyas kemendi. Minister ni billionaire. Let's kakra mesasono. Me dey say the next 20 30 years and the next 80 years. Na me dey me mfe nkwana me me ni wiase. Na ye mention ye bo me do. As an actor, I was say uche udin ye di pi na o man fanka. You are actor, men kunto ka menya basabasa. Ye bibi. Ko to ka wa na otimi. Efie wa na otimi. They will be adwuma amoma no mi nipam de bi ya e nshaba. E na wo no ga de beka o. Kwa me kwaso won ti ase. Mini wo ye na de kai no. Ti Great Minds. Se mi je sini twempo na emumudi osini ma. Ye bom din awo education side. Ye bom din awo nyom side. Even begin produce a movie site. You know, school and comedy fees more than 8,000 and 5,000. Minimum can say great man. If I say often the answer. But the worst something to go school fair come on. Best three, great was count. Fees and when the whole time, 3 months, 4 months, it which are 200 galaxies. 156, 406, Jesus in the chair 500, 406. School by you are 3,000, 2,000. The great man's here. I had ran a side. So, my back, I'm going to make it. The many of you are sensitive. Let me show you now.
Now, rent someone go fuck out. So, you come, I know him to say, all the money you pay.
Me ya dia ho. Me ya dia. Obi kasa enyi mpa ene yi. Se me yena man kasa fa so enyi ya. Bi ba ba all right. But ma ba kasa enyi no. Bi ba ba abona so. O ka ba mpia mo no. Obi ba kasa wo ja fa ne ba ma na oba mo ja be gu anwan. Sa me ni mpa na movie no eye be. Ase. Ina me yen kasa mo ba. Me ya ma dia na me ya ma dia. Dim dom be twai. Movie be ji the whole Ghana. A journey to Africa. Stars Eban. We am show. Me say, I feel like way. Me be has it. Me hit you. E dey mo hunde show. Also we am me din. Che. Ya me say be no. Afem be ji. Afem be hit you. Da bi. Afem be shasi. Dem hu ya shasi. Da bi. Ya me say I me start ejuma. Movie yippee. Yes. Movie yippee. Mr. Tuachina. It about 30 movies. The real and enough started Journey to Africa. Not start Sababi. Yeah, not 30 minutes. Same woman. Menka. Also, can I need a compare? Yes. And what thing? What's your belly by question? And what? Oh, 2 life stories. Stars fair Urban. I bet first album no. The hero movie album no. Stars by movie chine. The hero movie album no.
I just said why your story. I'm a bloggers.
I can't. I said, "Mona we, one for Papa Fra." Mose Mona we, one for Papa Fra. Some in a mountain. Eh, the big them, the big them, dear. And they move in a banana. Why won't you them, dear? Over feeling. Why did them just over just answer? Yes, I'm saying movie. I'm a TikTok. Yes, the name of TikTok. The name of TikTok. And the story so. This year, answer. Send it. BBC. More number up no say I will be send baby support. And pay better what you are near warrior at the next. As you will feel. Adolfo. Yes. Oh, Anwadi. Yes.
Open the way for second chance TV. Be outside and side. The final and them.
So koyo cancel when ni school emano na AD asaro choreography wa fe pa omo blaster for nyuma kofi ko kayata yema omo no era omo di asa na risk ya to go omo so ha ano pa where speech prize giving and graduation day ekoso wa incro na ren kora na omo sapa papa efe keke aba Ekwano sapa pamudi asa kama pa wait ya mobi obeba na obete ne sameya wakeka mobi obeba obete ne sameya wait ya mobi obeba obete ne sameya wachaja fire we see another one from Kojo Kansalawen on the patapa and already a choreography no akwawe wa hema ni msa mami nzumi no ono wakata ni pa wo guri che pa no de sa no Eramase. Madama. Aha.